Stop settling with dry, rubbery chicken breast. Even after working many years in a restaurant, I still struggling with this sometimes. Until I found a foolproof method to marinate and to use the lead hack. Today I'm sharing with you my method to get the glittering, juicy result every time. First, I cut the chicken breast horizontally into half. And then pound the chicken breast with the meat mallet, or if you don't have a meat mallet, use the spine of the cleaver. This action will help to flattening and tenderizing the meat. Next, season the chicken with salt, soy sauce, cornstarch. Salt and soy sauce are both helps to tenderize the meat, and the cornstarch will form a physical barrier on the surface, and therefore preventing the direct heat from the pan to dry out the meat. Mix the chicken with all the marinades until it is evenly coated the whole chicken, and then use paper towels to blot away the excess liquid. Place the chicken in the fridge for about 15 minutes. The air in the fridge is quite dry, so it helps to dry the chicken's surface further. After about 15 minutes, take out the chicken from the fridge. Heat the pan and put the oil into it. Wait until it comes to medium-high heat, which is about 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. You can either use the kitchen thermometer to check, or if you do not have the kitchen thermometer, you can put a wooden chopstick into the oil. The temperature is right when there's vigorous bubbles rising up. Now place the chicken carefully into the hot oil and let it sizzle. Leave it for about 2 minutes undisturbed. After 2 minutes, use a spatula to nudge the chicken lightly to check if it is released from the pan. Check if it's already golden. If it is, flip it over to the other side. When the other side turns golden again, remove it from the pan. But what if you prefer not to cut the chicken breast horizontally to half? Since it is quite thick, so when both sides turns golden, the internal may still raw. If you continue frying it over medium-high heat until the internal is cooked, the surface might already turn dark brown or might even burn. So in that case, when both sides turns golden, turn down the heat to minimum. Place the lid on the pan. Now it acts as an oven. Let it cook slowly at lower temperature. Open the lid for about a second periodically, and then quickly close it back. Let the moisture escape so that the surface stays crispy. Now insert the kitchen thermometer to the thickest part of the chicken. When the internal reaches 70 degrees Celsius, remove the chicken immediately. Rest the chicken breast for about 5 to 10 minutes before cutting. That will allow the juice redistribute and reabsorb. Now slice it into pieces, and now you can see the juicy, tender interior. You can serve it on its own, or you can make a sauce drizzle on it. That's how I pan fry the juicy, tender chicken breast every time. I really hope that you can give this chicken breast pan fry method a try, and once you know that the chicken breast can be as juicy actually as it is, you will never go back to the old way. If you find that this helpful, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification button. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!